You know, from time to time, I like to come to you and show you some things that I believe are a good value and just expose it to you because it may be something you don't know about. I have found a set of batteries for Dewalt tools, well, for any tool, just about. The ones I've got are for Dewalt tools. They sell batteries and chargers for Ryobi and, gosh, everything from a Craftsman on everything probably. But it's a company called Vanon, and they sent me these, sent me 2 batteries, and they sent me a charger and wanted me to share it with you. It's a really nice set of batteries. It's a 5.5 amp hour battery, lithium of course, 20 volt for Dewalt tools. They fit right on a Dewalt charger, same mechanisms and all that. And so if you've already got Dewalt tools and you've already got a Dewalt charger, then these will fit right on it. But anyway, I did some tests on them with a circular saw, a Dewalt circular saw, and a regular drill, and an impact driver, a drill driver. And I was very impressed with the results. Now, was it an apples and apples comparison? I don't know, because the batteries I used from Dewalt were the original batteries that came with my Dewalt tools, and they were probably 2 amp hour, the smaller batteries. So they don't have the longevity as far as use that that these are going to have, but they may not have the power either. I'm just saying, for a small price, not very much at all, you might want to take a look at these Vanon batteries. So let me get right straight to the test. I did that a little while ago. I'll show you that, and then I'll come back to you and we'll close this out. But I gotta say, pretty impressed. I've got a lot of Ryobi tools. The only thing I have Dewalt is the standard screwdriver, and I have got the drill driver, the impact driver. So let me show you this little old thing. Cutting with the 5.5 amp hour battery that I'm showing you now. I mean, like butter, like butter. Let me throw the 2 amp hour on here. This is the original Dewalt battery that came with my kit. Just got to go so slow. Wow. That's the first time I've done an apples to apples comparison on the circular saw. I've done it with a drill, and I'm telling you, this 5.5, man. I am impressed. So let's drill some holes in this 2x12. I believe that's a 1/4 inch bit. That's with the generic battery that I'm showing you, that I'm reviewing today. Okay. This is with the Dewalt battery, and all these are fully charged. So with the drill, it's about the same. So much more power on the saw. So much more power. So let me get the drill driver and show you that. So this is a brand new Dewalt tip. 2-inch screws into this 2x12. And let's go with the bigger battery. Wow. Quicker in, quicker out. So, from what I can tell, this new battery is the bomb. If you're looking for an alternative to buying the expensive Dewalt batteries. I don't know what a 5.5 amp or a 5 amp Dewalt would cost, but I know these are much, much less expensive. If you're looking for an alternative to Dewalt batteries, you're on the job a lot, you use them a lot, and you want something that'll last a long time, have plenty of power, and won't break the bank, you might want to take a look at these. From what I've seen, these things are something else. That's a 2 for 12, like butter, with the 5.5 amp battery. So again, I'm quite impressed, especially with the circular saw. I got the circular saw because I got these batteries, because I knew the smaller batteries just wouldn't push a circular saw. I had a Ryobi circular saw, was not impressed with it at all. Now this 10 years old, 15 years old. But when I got these, I decided to go ahead and spring for a Dewalt circular saw. And man, I am impressed. I'm gonna get some work done with a cordless, where I was doing everything with an old corded skill saw. Vanon has given me a coupon for you to get 10% off. So if you look below, if you're interested, look below at their website. I give you the website. I have got an associate link, and also that link will give you, or that code will give you 10% off. So if you're looking for something like this and want even more bargain on it, then look below and check out the batteries on that website using my code, and that'll give you a little percentage off, and it'll help my channel too. I'm impressed. Now, I don't know about the longevity. Are these going to last for years and years and years and years? I don't know, but I am impressed with the way they work, and the fact that they'll go straight on a Dewalt charger. I put them on my charger, everything's fine, but they also sent me a charger with these. So I've got their charger, I've got my original Dewalt charger. You saw the test. I don't know whether you're as impressed as I am, but I'm quite impressed with these. Anyway, check them out, take a look. I like the battery meter on them. I like the power they have. Push that Dewalt saw through there. Again, like I said before, like butter. And anyway, if it's something you want to look at, there they are. It's a Vanon battery. These are the 5.5. They've got larger batteries than this. They've got a 1-pack, a 2-pack, 4-pack. They've got everything on their websites. They've got chargers. If you need a charger, then you can certainly get that. But I mean, everything on their website, you'll get the 10% off when you use my code. So check it out. Maybe something you're interested in, maybe not. I don't know. I'm impressed. I appreciate them sending it to me, and I appreciate you watching it. All right, we're gone.